If you wish to clear the chat with someone on WhatsApp, do the following. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. On the list of the chat, just search for the person you wish to clear the chat. Tap on that person's name. You will get to the chat window with that person. Here, tap on the three dots from the top right corner. On the menu, go to More. Here, tap on Clear Chat. Here, you can also delete the picture and the video that you receive from this person. Leave this checked if you wish to do that. Please be careful. If you do this, the messages will be permanently deleted. If you are sure, tap on Clear option. Now, the full chat history is deleted and you do not see any message from this person. If this was useful, please thumbs up, share and subscribe, as this will help me a lot. Thank you. Bye bye.